Hey everybody, who has kids? Who has kids and you take them on vacation? I don't. No, I'm kidding. Behind me is something that the kids are gonna love, and more importantly, the parents. It's all new for 2025. It's the Keystone Passport Super Lite 221 BH that's behind me. It's got a lot of cool features, great new interior look. Stay with us through the whole video. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go get into this exciting travel trailer. All right, let's roll through some of the exciting new features on this new floor plan for 2025. Again, the Keystone Passport Super Lite 221 BH. Up front, we have an awesome new cosmetic look to it. We have awesome LED lights on both sides that kind of light up at night, whether you're camping or maybe driving down the road. But check out the graphic package, brand new, and that's where it starts. Stick with us to the inside. You're gonna see a great new interior look as well. Some of the features that you're gonna notice, of course, storage. We love being able to take all our goodies when we go camping. We have a really nice, convenient, durable baggage door here that clips up, big wide access, and all the way through to the other side. Patio time. Check out this power awning. Full length of the trailer to give us a big footprint of protection against the harmful UV rays or maybe a light rain. And we're gonna have patio time with our entertainment stuff like our JBL speakers at the top, or even our TV antenna or satellite if you want, and hook up an outside TV and watch that fall football game or check out some baseball in the spring. And patio time wouldn't be anything without our cooking and our beverages, right? We have a really nice flat top grill here that we can cook on real quick. And more importantly, a nice little refrigerator to get those quick access beverages without having to trek inside. On the back side of the travel trailer, we have a ladder to go up to the roof. You'll notice a big solar panel on there, and it is prepped for an inverter. So the inverter will take your 12-volt power and turn it into 110. So if you're into boondocking, it might be an option you want to just put that final touch on and add it into your camper. We have awesome storage underneath the bunk bed model. We have the bottom bunk that can flip up, and so if you have something tall that perhaps doesn't fit in the front storage, or more importantly, don't want to utilize that back of that SUV, boom, there you go. You've got plenty of storage that you can tuck all kinds of gear in. And last but not least, a nice little receiver hitch on the back to take a little bit of that cargo, again, out of your vehicle. Back here, maybe some firewood, maybe a couple coolers, and just be able to maximize everything that you want to take. Again, all new for 2025, the Keystone Passport Super Lite 221 BH. All right, so walking up to this camper, brand new graphics package on the outside is all where it starts. Inside, coming in, as you watch this video, take a look at the surroundings. It's a really good, fresh, new look inside. We have some light wood matched with white cabinet uppers. Really gives a difference to all those dark campers that we've had for so long. But anyway, let's get into some of the cool features of this 2025 Keystone Passport Super Lite 221 BH. Up front, we're starting with a queen Murphy bed for the parents. Got a nice sofa here that easily flips down into the Murphy bed. But before we get to that, gotta notice all the storage in this thing. We have drawers at the bottom below that you can tuck a bunch of stuff. We have drawers at the sides. We have shirt closets as well that are run all the way deep to the front so you got plenty of space. And like I said, by day, here you go. By night, let's quickly turn this into the Murphy bed. I mean, that is super easy in my book, and now you have a full queen bed. But one thing I have to demonstrate is going in reverse. One of the first little dollar, or I shouldn't even say dollar, probably 1 cent idea, it's got an automatic clip going back up into the wall here. All you have to do is get it back to that position and push it back. So many other Murphy beds, there's some kind of latch or strap or something you have to do. Imagine holding it with one hand and trying to do it with the other. Super easy. Good job, Keystone. All right, when you walk in the door, you have all your controls at the top here. You have your lights, and of course your slide out, your awning buttons. But one thing I want to note here is really cool track lighting in the ceiling that's dimmable. So that way at night, you can certainly bring it down and create a nice ambiance. For a little footprint, this has a big slide. Not only does it have the width with all this cabinet and the U-shaped booth, but it's also like a really deep slide out, so we get a lot of floor space. But here you go, you have a nice big U-shaped booth, and we can certainly turn this into a bed to give you some more sleeping space. This floor plan does brag that it sleeps 7. You're gonna have 2 up front. You'll see in a little bit with the bunk beds out back to sleep 2 each there, and probably squeeze 1 more here. So now if you have, excuse my quickness there. So now if you have a kiddo, easily grab 1 more friend that can come along and make all the kids happy. But I was talking about storage, big storage. We not only have floor to ceiling here, but look at the depth. I mean, this thing, I can't even reach all the way back. So you're definitely gonna be able to throw some shelving, some more totes, things like that, and really pack this thing full. Opposite of this slide is our kitchen, and a great job on the kitchen. Of course, 12-volt refrigerator is big along with the freezer, so we're definitely gonna get all kinds of goodies in there. Cooking, of course, we have our 3-burner stovetop and our nice little oven to just tuck away maybe some morning biscuits and get them baked up. Again, good use of storage, little drawers. Nice big area that we can also access from the other side, but I know what I would use that for. That's my trash can space. Check out this sink. This is cool. Really nice stainless sink, but I think something new and something fresh to really talk about is this sprayer nozzle. Not only does it pull out and we can use it, but if you flip it 90 degrees and now it's horizontal, excuse me, horizontal, now we have a nice big wide spray here. And if all this counter space isn't enough, we got the flip up counters here to really get into a lot more prep area, or maybe for all those goody appliances that we need these days, air fryer and coffee maker. Up above the stove, of course, we're microwave to get in some reheats. And last but not least, nice big TV with a swing out arm that we can change that viewing angle and be able to hit any spot. All right, as I mentioned, this floor plan brags sleep in 7 bunk beds. We have 2 double-sized bunk beds. All the kids will be able to squeeze in there easily. They have a window that opens up or a shade to draw at night to have some privacy, a light at each spot, and even a charging port to make sure that their portable devices are definitely charged up. And as I mentioned, we have a bunk bed access storage door from the outside, but we can certainly rotate that up and use that by day if you need. And last but not least, nice, well thought out bathroom. And I don't know what it is for me, but I love having a window in the bathroom. We have the vent up top, but just having some natural daylight or be able to open up a window and exhaust some fumes and some moisture is a big win in my book. We have an upper here, medicine cabinet. We have plenty of storage underneath. And of course, a shower. We've got a skylight. I'm 6'1", so I definitely have some extra head height here. Nice retractable screen shower door, so easy clean, easy to use, and definitely plenty of elbow space. So what do you think? Again, all new for 2025 is a Keystone Passport Super Lite 221BH. All right, so a footprint about 26 feet, about 5,700 pounds. Doesn't mean you have to have a big truck to get in front of this camper. It is a great super light, as they call it, travel trailer with a lot of features, great new look. Definitely, if it's not on your radar, make sure it's on your radar now. Again, all new for 2025, the Keystone Passport Super Lite 221BH. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, comment below. We'd love to hear your first impressions or maybe any questions that you have on this model, and show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.